water, yeah, water, goddamn, water, water, okay, water, what, water, drip, water, splash, water.
Hey, what's up? Noel here from Honolulu, Hawaii. This is Kangen Water Wednesdays episode 4, and today I'm going to be talking to you about alkalized water versus alkaline water. There's a huge difference. I have people asking me, I go to the store and I buy alkaline water. What's the difference between your water and the water that I buy off of the shelf? Well, I think the first thing is that one is made chemically alkaline. So any water bottle that's out on the shelf that says alkaline, like that 9.5 pH Essentia water, that's made chemically alkaline, like this water as well. They add sodium bicarbonate, magnesium, calcium. Sodium bicarbonate is like just basically adding baking soda to the water. I will get to that in a second. And Kangen water is made through a process called electrolysis, and that's what makes the water alkalized. So the main difference between these two waters is, one, this is made chemically alkaline. This is not. It's through a process called electrolysis. This water has a ton of antioxidants in it. This water does not. This has a ton, Kangen water has a ton of molecular hydrogen in it, which is super good for your body. This does not. And Kangen water is, as you've seen in my last episode, is microclustered. Remember the volleyballs not going through the net? That's this water here. And the tennis balls, which is this water here, going through the net being your cell walls. That's in my last episode, Kangen water episode 3. Check it out if you already haven't. So I'm gonna show you a quick example of how they make this water alkaline. Fudge, I forgot my pH drops. I'll be right back. Okay, so these are pH drops. They test the pH level of the water. What up? Kangen Water Wednesdays. People are asking me, like, why are you doing this in a gym? It's my boy Davis's gym. He has an indoor gymnasium on his property, which is pretty dope. So compliments to Davis Holt. Hey Benny, you love Kangen water, don't you? And then we got Aquafina. So I'll have like the pH chart right here or somewhere. It's in frame, cool. So this is gonna be super dark purple. It's 9.5 pH, that's Kangen water. This is, let's see what this is gonna be. This is like, it's about 8.8. This says it's gonna be 8.8, so that's fine. And then Aquafina, which is not helping your body at all. Either of these waters are really helping your body. This is gonna be acidic, it's acidic. Now, if we take some baking soda.
Baking soda, I got baking soda. Baking soda, I got baking soda.
You see how it changed the pH of the water instantly? And to get to this color, you want to add other like chemicals to it as well. But that's basically the process of alkaline water that you buy in the stores. They just add chemicals to it to bring the pH level up. Doesn't really mean it's healthy for you because it doesn't have antioxidants, molecular hydrogen, and it's not microclustered. So the solution is to drink Kangen water, and that's mainly it. Alright guys, that concludes Kangen water episode 4. I hope you guys learned a lot today, and thank you very much. I'll see you on the next episode.
I'm in love with the coco.